Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Yvonne and for today's episode, I'm going to be doing the different Goan snacks or the street food of Goa. So let's begin with the video. So the first Goan snack that I'm going to be sharing with y'all is the famous Goan Ross omelette. You all must have had it many times. The people who are coming as tourists also have it and have loved it very much. So we'll prepare it at home because I wanted to have it outside, but the stall where I wanted to go and have it is not open today. Sad. So I had to do everything at home. So we'll head to the kitchen and make the Ross omelette first. So now for making the Ross omelette, we have to first prepare the omelette. So for that I've taken 1 egg, half tomato chopped, half onion chopped, a few green chilies and coriander chopped, and this is the spices like salt, pepper, chili powder and little bit of turmeric powder. So now let's begin with making the omelette. I'm going to add in all the spices first. Then there's the onions. Tomatoes, chilies and coriander. Nicely whisked. Now let's fry it. So here for frying of the omelette, I've taken a pan and I've added some oil in it. So now I'm going to swirl it everywhere and wait till the oil gets nice and heated up. So now the pan is nice and heated. The oil is heated very well. So I'm going to add in the mixture. Just spread it. So now I flip this egg, the omelette, and just see how beautifully brown it has become. We'll just put it on the other side as well. So here the omelette is fried now. So I'm going to plate my Ross omelette. And on top of the omelette goes some delicious Goa's famous shakuti curry. So I'm just going to spread it all over it. And that's it. So here the Goan famous Ross omelette is ready. So here our Ross omelette is ready. So let's have it. The first bite. I'm sure I just match a street style thing, but it's delicious. Usually this is served with pav, but I want to have it plain today. So I'll finish this and get back to you. So the Ross omelette was indeed yummy. So now the second dish for today, or the Goan snack for today, is the veg samosas. You get these veg samosas anywhere on the gadas in the evening times usually, and they have a nice crisp coating, or the patti is very nicely fried and very crispy. So that is our second dish for today. So here is a veg samosa. I'll break it and show it to you all first. Can you all hear that crispy thing? Here, just look at it. So here we have a nice stuffing of potatoes, and also there is some peas in it. Oh no, these are not peas, this is that white batanas. It is very famous in Goa because we get many pathal bhajis also of that white batanas, and you can see some pink that is beetroot. So let's see how it tastes. So I'm going to have it. It is way different from our normal Punjabi samosas that we get, and the filling also is quite nice and spicy. Even this bananas are adding a nice crunch to it. So let's eat some more. And also you will see the outside crust also is very crunchy and crispy. So I'll finish my samosa and get back to you all. So the third Goan snack recipe, though it may sound new to you all as it was for me when I heard it for the first time, it is the cheese patties. Yes, cheese patties. So this is like, the puff pastry, the layered puff pastry what we get, the normal patties but with cheese filling in it. So let's have a look at it. So this is how the patties looks like. So I'll break open and show it to you all. So here you can see how nicely the cheese, there's a whole slice of cheese put, and here it is. And look at how crispy and crunchy the outside puff pastry is. So let's eat now. This is one of my favorite evening time snacks because being a cheese lover, how can this not be my favorite? I really love this patties, and when it is warm, it's even nice and gooey. But this has just got a little bit cold. I just heated it up, but it just got a little more cold because the whole shooting time. Otherwise, taste is yum. It got very subtle cheesy flavors, mild to the stomach also, not spicy at all, but yummy. So now I'm going to enjoy my cheese patties and then I'll get back to you. So now the fourth Goan snack or the street style food is the egg chop. So the egg chop is basically a mashed potato in which some spices are mixed and nicely it is nicely flattened, and a half-boiled egg is placed into it. It's nicely wrapped, dipped in, given an egg wash, and also dipped in breadcrumbs and then fried till golden brown. And this snack is nice and crispy and also very tasty. So let's see how it is made first. So now for preparation of the egg chops, you need only two ingredients, potatoes and eggs. Okay, the masalas and all I'll show you all later, but the basic ingredients are potato and egg. So first we'll start by boiling them. So I'll boil them first. So here I've taken a vessel, I've added water, and I'm going to add in the potatoes so that they can get boiled. And now I'll leave them. And in another vessel I've again kept water. I'm going to put my two eggs and just leave them for boiling. Now we'll wait till both these things get boiled. So now here I've boiled and peeled the potatoes. So I'm just going to be mashing it. And the eggs which I had boiled, I just peeled the eggs as well and I've cut them into halves. So now we'll proceed to just add some masala to this potato mash. Starting with some salt to taste. Some chili powder. And a little bit of turmeric powder and a little bit of pepper powder. I'm going to be adding some pepper powder to the eggs as well. That's about it. And now we'll just mix everything into this well. Going with my hands on it. So now the potatoes are nicely mashed. So I'm going to take a ball-sized piece of this potato, mashed potato, and I'm just going to flatten it a little bit like this. And half of that egg, I'm going to just place it in it. Just put it half the way. Take some more. Just kind of cover the whole egg well. Very gently. And make a nice round ball of it, see? And this is ready. So we'll make the rest also. So you can make it as big or as small as you all want. So here, ready. So here I've heated some oil for frying of the egg chops. So now for the frying of the egg chops, we have to make like a wash for it, an egg wash. So for that I'm cracking an egg into the bowl. I'm going to whisk it a bit. That's about it. And here I've got some breadcrumbs to coat it. So now I'm going to take one of my egg chop, give it a nice eggy wash, and then just place it on these breadcrumbs. Just forget it. Nicely coated in breadcrumbs as well. So here, this is what it should look after the coat. So now let's coat the rest as well. So here the egg chops are all nicely coated. Now we'll fry them out. So now our oil is nicely heated. So I'm going to drop the egg chops one by one into it. It will get a nice golden coat on both the sides. So now the chops are nicely fried, so I'm going to take it off the oil by draining off the excess. Just look at it. Don't they look delicious? And because we had coated them well, they did not drink much of the oil. Much of the oil has not got soaked up. So here, our egg chops are ready. Come. So now, the egg chops are ready. So let's have it. So now, the yummy looking egg chops are ready. I'll break one and show it to you all. So just look at the potato. It's nice and hot, and the potato mash is nice and crispy. So now let's have it. I've taken some ketchup for some sides. Now let's have it. The outer coating is nice and crispy. I did a good job while frying it, and this taste is really nice. So now I'm going to enjoy this with a hot cup of tea, and let's see you all. So now guys, the length of video is getting a little bit longer, so I decided I'll do a part 2 of this video, that is the Goan snacks or the street food of Goa. This is a part 1. I'll be putting updates of it on my Instagram. This is my handle. Do go and check it out, and do follow me on Instagram as well, so that you can get regular updates of whatever videos are going to come in the future. And with this, we come to an end to this video, and I hope you all enjoyed the snacks that I showed you all, and also I was successful enough to make you all drool over some of the snacks. And if you all did drool, or even if you all did not drool, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit that post notification bell over there, so it gives you all a ghanti that okay, I've posted a new video. And I'll see you all in the next video. Till then, bye.